everybody. Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Greetings for You Cards with Robin that's featuring these Greetings for You ephemera messages because one of the cards is this little shaker card and we had a little piggy shaker too. And I just wanted to show you how to do these fun shaker cards. So Stampin' Up! Has these cute little shaker bubbles, if you will, that makes it super easy. And you just you unstick one side, the top side of your bubble, and then you stick it through the shape that you cut out using the matching die cuts. So super fun, very easy. And then what you need to do is you use a embellishment of some kind. This is gold shaker stars. And then you just scoop some out and fill them into the little cavity in there. And just a little hint, you always need a little bit more than you think you do because it all settles to the bottom. So I put a generous bit in there because if we do it flat, it's filled with all this, but once you set it down, it looks nice and filled. So there we go. And then they're going to want to jump out. So that's a fun part. And now comes what is probably the trickiest part because you either have to work upside down or you have to be a really, really good guesser. So you take the sticky off. Well, yeah, take the sticky off. And then I went ahead and just, put the glue on the rest of it because I want it to all go. So I'm taking a chance here, but that's kind of just how it works. And then you're going to add your sticky. So I've got the plaid side down, which is what I want. And trying to do this in the video is going to be extra fun. But you just kind of put it up by yourself. And the actual stickum on the thing is very sticky. So if you want a little more give, don't unstick the sticky around this and just let your glue, because you can move your glue. Another alternative is don't cut this paper quite soon and then cut it afterwards to match what your thing is. And if it's a little unstraight, it doesn't matter that much, but neither of mine are terribly straight, but I'm still happy with them. It's a really nice way to do the shaker card that isn't quite so difficult as building a little corral. So these are super cute, very fun, and hopefully you can make your lesson even better than mine since you've seen a way to go about it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.